What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along with me through my summer skincare routine. This skincare routine, you guys, is so poppin' because it is so summery and so fruity and so juicy. I cannot wait to show you guys all of my products. If you guys are wondering, I do have super dry skin, so in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to remove your makeup and how I keep my skin looking so clear and glowy. I had to throw on a little bun, put the hair nice and up so that way I can serve you guys nothing but face in today's video. So yeah, this is kind of like my little skincare Sunday, self-care Sunday. You get what I'm saying. So today I like to, paint my toes, do a little hair mask, straighten my hair, paint my nails, do a little face mask, do the whole shebang. So I'm going to be taking you through all of that today. So yeah, I wanted to really quickly show you guys the nail polishes that I got in the beauty supply store. So these are all from Etsy, and I got these so that way I can paint my toes. So I'm not sure what color we're going to be doing on my toes today, but obviously I'm going to be painting my toes off camera because I don't want to be showing my toes on camera. Big shout out to Teami for sponsoring today's video. I literally love Teami skincare products. They're literally one of my holy grails in my skincare. You guys will see in the video how real it is. So yeah, thank you for partnering with me in today's video. So yes, let me stop rambling now and let's jump straight into this summer glowy skincare routine. First things first, of course, literally every girl, you guys know this is your favorite part of removing your makeup is taking off the eyelashes. This is honestly the most satisfying thing ever. So the lashes that I was wearing today are my faves. These are the Lily lashes in So Extra Miami. And of course, I'm so ready to take out this tight ass bun because y'all know I'm Hispanic. You go, girl, like my bun be tight. Okay, so the best feeling, of course, is to take down my hair and, of course, give myself a nice little scalp massage. Oh my God, this feels so good, you guys. So yes, so on this, little self-care Sunday today, I will be using a hair mask. So I'm going to quickly just detangle my hair, and I'm also going to dampen it with a quick little spray bottle. If you guys are wondering, I did wash my hair the night before, so my hair is clean. And basically, so I wash my hair Saturday, and then I do kind of like my mask and everything like that on Sunday. So yeah, right now, like I said, I'm just dampening my hair because this mask, you want to use it while your hair is damp. So the mask that I am going to be using today is from Briogeo. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. And it is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. You guys, I love this mask so much. So this mask has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones. It's amazing. So why I love this mask so much is that this mask literally is infused with everything that your hair loves and needs to be healthy and grow. For instance, like coconut, avocado, sweet almond, argan oil, vitamin, and it also has even B5, which is amazing vitamin to help your hair grow. So yeah, this really targets for damaged hair, and if you guys suffer from breakage like me, this is amazing. So as you guys can see, my hair is completely saturated in this, and I like to actually leave this in my hair for about a few hours. So while that's sitting in my hair, let's go ahead and start the skincare. So first things first, I'm going to take a makeup remover. This one is from Pixi, and this is the Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover. You guys, I've been obsessed with this lately. This has no alcohol in it, which is my favorite part, you guys. It's actually such a milky, creamy type of eye makeup remover. I even also use this on Autumn, you guys, because my 3-year-old does play with a lot of makeup, and because this has no alcohol and Pixi is vegan and cruelty free as well, all of their stuff is almost organic, so it's very nice and sensitive for the skin, and it does not irritate my eye area, and it removes my makeup bomb. So moving on to cleanser, I'm taking this Ole Henriksen. This is their Truth Juice Daily Cleanser, and girl, this is a summer makeup routine. So how summery and perfect is this cleanser for your summer makeup routine? Girl, it has vitamin C. Honestly, I use vitamin C all year round, but of course, especially in the summertime, if you want your skin to be nice and bright, this is really gonna brighten up your skin and reduce all of the redness and discoloration on your face. And it does a really amazing job at keeping my skin nice and hydrated, and also removing all of that extra built up makeup that the makeup remover did not remove. So this is going to make sure and ensure that your face is nice and squeaky clean. So as you guys can see, I'm breaking out a little bit because I had a long week of filming, girl, and I've been trying out so many new products and my skin has not been loving it. So this is where one of my favorite products come in, and this is the Teami Detox Mask. You guys, I am obsessed with this. I've been obsessed with this for like almost 2 years now. So this is basically a green tea blend. So it has matcha, lemongrass, and also clay. Teami is also natural, vegan, and cruelty free. But why I love this so much, you guys, and like I said, I'm opening up a brand new one, but just so I can show you how real it is. Okay, this is the current one that I'm using, and as you guys can see, my jar is literally almost half empty. So don't get it twisted, you guys. I just showed a nice brand new one just for filming purposes, and so that way I can have some pretty footage and my product doesn't look disgusting. But yes, I've been working with Teami for almost like 2 years now. It's crazy how much I love this stuff. So if you guys watch me on Instagram, you know I've been raving about this for quite some time. So I like to put it on with a little foundation brush. And yeah, you guys, what I love most about this is that it improves the texture of my skin, especially if you wear a lot of makeup. And it's also natural. It's all natural. So these are one of the masks that does not irritate your skin. If you actually wanted to use this like on a daily basis, you can. So as you guys can see, I'm not putting it all over my face. I'm literally just going to target the areas where I have, you know, a lot of pores, clogged pores, and a lot of texture at the moment. So you want to go ahead and let it dry and let it sit for 15 minutes. So while that's waiting, I'm going to be go ahead and painting my toes and my nails. This is the color that I chose. So yeah, all of the Teami products will be down in the description box if you guys want to check them out. And of course, if I have a coupon code, I will also leave that down in the bottom below as well. And yeah, after the mask is nice and dry, you guys will see it gets lighter and is completely dry. You should not have no residue on your hand. And after you wash it off, you are literally going to see how much it is detoxing. You can see in my nose how much it literally unclogged all of those pores in my nose and my forehead. Like, this stuff is legit amazing. I love it so much, you guys. So now that I washed it off, you can see how nice and calm my skin is. It's not as red, and you can visibly and also actually feel how more smoother your skin is. Like, it's bomb. So now I'm gonna move on to toner. This one is from Pixi, and this is their Rose Tonic Toner. I love this toner so much. As you guys can see, I'm literally almost done with this bottle, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead on a cotton round and drench my cotton round in toner. And why is toner so important is it because it tones your skin, honestly, and it helps balance and restore the pH balance in your skin, which is super important. If you do not want to break out, you have to make sure that you are restoring the pH balance in your skin. But why I love this toner specifically is because it literally just allows all of my products to go on so beautiful, and it leaves my skin nice and glowy. So moving on to serum, I'm going to be taking the Teami Vit C Serum, and this is a brand new bottle. So yeah, this is actually the new packaging, and the serum now is nice and pink, but it used to be orange. And as you guys can see, my old bottle is literally almost done, and yeah, it was about time for a new one. So I like to work the serum into my hand and get the product going, and then I like to massage it into my skin. The reason why I love this serum so much is that it has hibiscus flower, vitamin C, and also hyaluronic acid, which is super amazing because that's literally all of the ingredients your skin needs to be nice and hydrated. So yeah, this serum is also known as the brightening and tightening serum because that's exactly what it does to your skin. It leaves your skin looking nice and glowy, nice and brightened, and also nice and tight, so you do not see any fine lines or anything like that. It is popping, girl. So moving on to moisturizer, I honestly just added this a few weeks ago into my skincare routine. Like I said, because it's summer, it's a banana souffle, so I love scented things, especially for the different seasons of my skincare routine. So for instance, if it's winter, you might want to add something more minty, things like that. Like I said, I like to make my skincare routine more fun. So yeah, this banana souffle, honestly, it's just infused with a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help your skin feel nice and hydrated. And girl, this does not clog your pores. I like this moisturizer a lot because it is very lightweight, and girl, come on, it smells like bananas, so it's amazing. Moving on to eye cream, this is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Yeah, guys know I've been raving about this for a minute. So some of these products are like literally staple essentials, but then I do also mix in a few new products that, you know, go according to the season, that go according to scents, you know, things like that. But anyway, back to this eye cream. The reason why I love this is because it's super smoothing, and it does have a little yellow undertone that you can actually see your product working instantly. So it literally makes your under eye look nice and bright as soon as you put it on. As you guys can see from the left side, it actually diminished a lot of those blue undertones, so it's lit. So yes, moving moving on to my lip balm. So we're almost done. This one is from Laneige, I don't know how to pronounce it, and this is their lip sleeping mask. You guys, I love this. This is one of my favorite lip balms because it is so thick and buttery. You guys, this will literally not have your lips feeling dry and cracky. It is super hydrating, which I need, especially if you wear a lot of liquid lipsticks like me. Those can tend to really dry up your lips. So girl, I need something thick, just like I like it. Okay, but anyway, now last but not least is to lock it all in. So I'm gonna be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. This is their hyaluronic acid setting mist, and girl, just like it says, hyaluronic acid, girl, that is super hydrating for your skin, especially if you're dry. So yeah, I like to use this last just to finish up everything and just add and lock in all of the moisture. And I love this setting spray because you can use it to set your makeup, you can use it in your skincare like I'm using. So yeah. Alright beauty, so that was it for this skincare video. This was everything that I do for my summer glowy skincare routine. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I had a aggravated pimple in the beginning, and after everything that I use, especially the detox mask, that blemish literally has calmed down so much and will be gone by tomorrow. So that's why I love literally all of these products. So thank you all for watching, and until next time guys, bye.